Introducing Solmera Coast, a luxurious beachfront living project by DMCI Homes, located in Barangay Subukin and Calublob, San Juan, Batangas. It's DMCI Homes' first leisure residences. Ideal for investors, Solmera Coast offers resort-style living in a prime tourist destination, with 5 buildings, each with 7 floors and ample parking. It's a blend of Asian tropical architecture. Ready for occupancy dates. Matahari, February 2027. Kritika, May 2027. Asri, November 2027. Bumi, August 31, 2027. And Nusa, February 29, 2028. Solmera Coast offers a variety of available units to suit your needs. Studio units, perfect for individuals or couples. These cozy spaces range from 31 to 35 square meters with prices starting from 6.3 million to 7.6 million pesos. They offer a comfortable living space by the beach. Enjoy more space with our one-bedroom units, ranging from 69 to 70 square meters, priced at 14 million pesos. These units provide ample room for small families or individuals looking for extra comfort. Ideal for families or those desiring more space. Our two-bedroom unit ranges from 63 to 92 square meters with prices starting from 11.6 million to 17 million pesos. These units offer flexibility and luxury living by the sea. Choose your preferred unit type and let Solmera Coast be your gateway to beachfront paradise in Batangas. Contact Ms. Kim Ravenera, your DMCI Homes Condo Realtor, to explore these available units and start your journey to coastal living today.